In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and post a video on Steam. All you need to do first is click on your profile, right? Click on View My Profile right here. And once you have accessed this, scroll down. I want you to come here and choose Videos, okay? Now, on this page, you will see this option to link your YouTube account, which is what you need to do first. So come here, click on Link YouTube Account. Now, all you need to do is come here and click on Access Your YouTube Videos. So click on this, and then this will open up a new pop-up where you choose an account. So I'll go ahead and pick this account to link to my Steam. Okay, there we go. I have chosen this one, Pioneer Legend. And all you need to do is choose whatever exact account, whatever brand account you want to go ahead and use. So I'll choose this one right here. Okay. Now we will consent to this. I'll click on continue. That is perfectly fine. Now we are being redirected to Steam. Now, as you can see, we are on this page where it's asking me to select a video I want to go ahead and link. So I will choose this one. Make sure the video is actually public. Okay. Now, right here, we need to associate the video with a game. So I can come here and choose a game. So you'd see games you have usually played, already played, right? Or you can come here and type it out. For example, Civilization 7, right? That's the game. I can go ahead and click on add, and this will add the video to my profile. So I see successfully added one video. As you can see, it has added this video to Civilization 7. Really that easy and simple.